Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we just finished with the FOMC interest rate news. No change in interest rate, and definitely no change of trend. My most recent structure level is right here because that's the last end of a correction. There's definitely one, two, three, four, five ways down, so maybe we'll get a bounce, maybe not. This could be a wave three on the daily, which means it could potentially just keep on going down and down. The trend is definitely your friend. Now, if it goes up and breaks this high right here, that would definitely turn me bullish after the break of structure. But even if it does turn up and it just makes some sort of an overlapping pattern, it could just be a pullback to the last five ways down. So I am definitely still recommending shorts unless we get that significant break of structure to the upside right around the 1.1570 area. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.